driving up and down tall buildings. Is this the South Africa I fought for? Died for? I am back to declare a better South Africa. Umzabalazo uyaqhubeka. Azibuyele emasisweni.
Sekutholakale ukuthi omunye wabantu ababebelela umzabalazo nenkululeko yezwe lethu eSouth Africa uMemeza usebuyile ezweni labangasekho kanti ekubuyeni kwakhe ubize umhlangano ukuthi uzoqhubeka lapha egcine khona ngomzabalazo.
It has been announced that our freedom fighter Umemeza has came back alive and is preparing a meeting to declare for a better South Africa. Umzabalazo uyaqhubeka.
Asiwafuna Kuala asiwafuna mavela shona asifuna imidlwembe sifuna makabane kathambo asiwafuna makwala asiwafuna mavela shona
We declare for all to know that South Africa belongs to all who lives in it.
To all? To all? Yes. It has been so 30 years since the foundation of South Africa was laid. I personally do not think we are where we should be. I do not think we are following the right footsteps.
Yes.
I mean, a person born 70 years ago started like this, on the ground, like a little child, and went on and on and on. That is what you call progress. The foundation of South Africa was laid in 1955 Clifton. I feel like the words were left on the wall. I feel like the foundation was left and now it has collapsed.
Collapsed? Collapsed? What do you mean it has collapsed? You are in a free country. You were born free.
Yes.
You even had free education.
I paid school fees.
How much was your school fee?
5 rand.
Siyathokoza bogogo nomkhulu. We see doors opening but akakavuleki. We
Injani?
see Minister of Education opening doors but akakayivuli.
Yo! Umbhede-ke lento eshoyo.
Life is like an education filled with complications, failures, successes, ups and downs. I feel like it is better to go through all the trouble with something at hand. Here, I'm talking education. We should be free for all.
Yes.
Yes, for all. For me, for you, for Ogogo, for Umkhulu. Most of our children are living with Gogos and Umkhulus. How are we then expecting them to prosper if their parents and their grandparents are illiterate?
How can we then identify our pride if our identity is hidden from us? In schools, we are being taught to honor. Ilembe lekamanye amalembe ngokukhalipha. Unothi wehlezi kameni. Usishaka sishayeke. Umntaka senza ngakhona. Then we do amahubo. Inkunzi enjani esabezini?
Umhlaba wakithi lo.
Umhlaba wakithi lo.
Sisemindawo.
Sisemindawo. Akukho mehluko kulelizwe.
Khawula makabandela.
Khawula makabandela.
Look at you. You look beautiful.
Ngiyabonga. Nawe usemuhle hayibo.
Yes, Wangele.
Asibonge phela ukuthi umsomi ngazange akubulala.
Akangibulalanga. Hey, Wangele. Ngishaya.
Hayibo. Wena lo sugqoka amanye
Nezinto ezibizayo.
hayibo. Hey.
Kanjani impilo yakho nje injani?
Hoy ma i-right simple mnyancenga wena.
Injani? Hayi.
Nambuso. Abafethu.
Letha imithi yami.
bengakutshontshe.
Usuyena.
Bengidlalisa
Ngokuthathe yipho. Kwenzakalani kuwena?
Hey bafethu uthi nani ngiyacava ukuthi impilo injani. Ngiyabo. Kahle kahle shuthi into yami yaqala ngifunda khona eConford. Khokha ischool fees sa 250k. Yabona ke lapho impilo yami yavele yashabalala. Ihe! Namhlanje asambe ngisiyophuza shawe stress.
Injalo nje.
Besides cousin, the grandson. Ngicela isipanda. Lapho ke kwavele wangathi inkinga ziyanda. Zavele zaqala inkinga.
Ntombazana, uza la. Thatha la. Uzobona.
Yini lento lema asikho isikhathi sokubuza ukuthi yini lena nani. Thatha le nto emakhaleni. Ngiyakutshela uJesu uzobona ngamehlo.
Akubona uJesu.
Hawe ma. Usinona isiqoba ngishilo. Hawe ma. Angikwazi ubuyele ekhaya. Ngizofika uma ngimtsheleni ukuthi sengivele ngafeyila umatric wami. Kule school fees esingaka sikhokhalo 250k wonke wakho onyaka wonke usuvele wamosheka kanjalo. Angikwazi ukubuyela ekhaya. Ntomele ngenze kumele ngibaleke. Hawe ma.
Is that what I fought for? Members, did you see that? Is that what I died for? Not good. Sabella, is that not what I strived for? Exactly. For this, these kids are killing the culture of education. Their parents are paying 500,000, 250,000 just for something that should be free. My life, I lost it due to this. Free to education. For this to happen. So now, Mama, tell me, what should I do now? Call Amakabani, Sabela. Do you say so? Call Amakabani. We're going to meet here and revive the culture of education. Memes, I am with you. Amanda! Aweto. I need to call them so that I can be on time. Okay.
No way. Yes. We are alone.
What are you doing? Leave me alone!
Shut
Leave me alone! I said leave me alone!
Uzofonela ummemela manje umtshele ukuthi
Listen here, I'm not gonna do that!
Saphaza ukuqoba usibambo.
Leave me alone!
Yawena.
Okay, fine.
Yawena. Fonela ummemela manje. Uzofika umtshele ukuthi umhlangano ula. Amaqabane asefikile. Uyezwa? Uyezwa?
Okay!
Khumisa ukuqoba usibambo.
Ngomtshela ukuthi sila. Manje
Where's my
fonela.
phone? Where's my phone? Memeza cela ubuyele la ungifika khona. Amaqabane asefikile ngiyacela. Phuthuma njengamanje. Asiwa kuna magwana yo. Maqabane wazani maqabane.
Ewena.
Sabela.
Yewona. Shut.
Uyaphi la wena? Babe bethu. Babe bethu. Sala wena. Ulala.
Akho zabaloza. Waqhubeka sisakhula.
Zameni lweli i-free education.
Ngicabanga
Free
ufile
education
kodwa
yama. Hayibo.
Ufile le nje bubu.
Muzwe mfethu ukuthi unjani.
Ayifile sibaleni. Shaka.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, where's my... Memeza, wake up. Memeza, vuka. Memeza, vuka. Mele silwe lento. Ngiyacela Memeza, mele sivuke. Vuka Memeza. Angilento. Ingalezo zizobani. Blood. Memeza! Memeza! freedom fighters rose up from death, they will still die the same way that they died before. They fought for free education, but parents are paying 250,000, a lot of money for education. Is this how we want our country to be? Is this how we want ilizwe lobabomkhulu to end? All their souls, their strength, all their efforts fighting for better South Africa were all in vain. Is this how we want our country to be? Really? Is that how you want it to be? We cannot end like this.
Israel.